Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services and wish all of you all a very happy, healthy and prosperous New Year 2022 and hope that you invest wisely for long-term point of view and create wealth by being a part of the India's growth story. The start for the new year has been on an extremely positive note. As I speak to you, Sensex is up more than 500 points at 58,827. Nifty is up almost about 160 odd points at 17,516. And the Bank Nifty is also gaining momentum, trading at 35,900. So the recovery has been quite smart, not only today but even for the last week of last year. And from the lows of December, we have recovered to a great extent. And the sense is that Q3 earning season for this financial, which will kick off in next about week to 10 days, will throw in a little bit of more positivity. Then you have the budget event in the month of Feb and expectation of a more growth oriented budget is what my sense is from the Honorable Finance Minister. Uh, Having said that, the spread of the new avatar Omicron has been alarming, especially for two uh, cities, rather states, if you may call it, for the state of Mumbai and of course for the capital New Delhi, for the city of Mumbai and for capital New Delhi. Uh, Hope that the recovery is sooner rather than later, and whatever we know of this particular new avatar does not create any kind of a serious situation for the patient. Body ache, scratchy throat, a little bit of fever, and then if you take care, then you recover in maybe about 4 or 5 days. So hope that there is no negative news flows as far as this new avatar is concerned. So this is more of locally, globally. Well, again, the news flow will be patchy. We will react depending upon which way the news flows are, positive, negative, and we will trade accordingly. The other aspects of the market, rupee has recovered considerably over the last week, 10 days against the dollar, and as I speak to you, 74.30 is the strength in the INR against the dollar, and little bit of uptick for both the energy commodities, that is Brent and NYMEX. $78.30 a barrel for Brent and 75.75 dollars a barrel on the NYMEX. Again, this move on the crude oil will depend upon what news flows are globally and what kind of restrictions are put in place and how will it impact the consumption. But could trade in this half a dollar to a dollar mark on both NYMEX and Brent for some time. On the rupee dollar, well, my sense is that the strength should go towards $74 to 74 rupees to a dollar, and over there we will stabilize. Now, since we've given strength for the last couple of days, maybe a little bit of weakness and then again the momentum coming back. But overall, friends, this market has exhibited resilience. Downside was expected, little bit of access that was there needed to be shaken off. We needed to clean the markets, and that's what's exactly happened. And hope that the third quarter earnings will throw in more traction and positivity in terms of recovery. Uh, restricted lockdowns, restricted movements, pan India from the center by at state level will possibly have its impact on the markets. But hope all of us behave like responsible citizens and we contribute to not spreading the virus rather than spreading the virus by not wearing mask, overcrowding, getting out of house even if it is not necessary. So we need to be a little bit responsible over there. Having said that, our view for the year is a conservative 15 to 18% return on Sensex and Nifty. Even if I take the lower end, that is 15%, return on the large cap indices, Sensex and Nifty, then I think it's very easy to calculate where we will be in the next 3 to 5 years time. This is a calculated approach as of now, given the current situation and surroundings. If they remain the same or better, then I think we could be marching towards new highs sooner rather than later. And in case if the news flow is negative, then maybe there might be a stretched out time horizon. But this is the conservative approach. And one sector which has been outperforming and will continue to outperform on earnings front, especially, is IT, and both large cap and mid cap IT. Though they have run up, maybe they may cool off given the run up that we've seen in the last week, 10 days. But I think you should focus over there. Take care, stay home, stay safe. All the very best, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you very much for your patience. Bye bye.